Hello viewers, welcome to Insta Vlogs. People are working by hand for the road reconstruction process. They are using the handmade tools, and you can see that the lines, they are just making a straight lines and breaking some things. This tool is usually a multi-purpose tool, so they can break the large things, they can label the things. Little hard because you can see sands here, so some sands just covered up few areas of the road network, so they are just making the label straight line. I hope you like it. This is regular road construction work. Thank you so much. Have a good day.